I see a couple interesting people that I'm gonna go up to. There's a guy doing rope dart, and then like beyond that there's like these two guys playing, I think it's lacrosse, I don't know. I think I'm gonna approach them. We'll see how it goes. What's up, beautiful people? I'm Jennifer, and today's video is part 1 of a series I'm doing called How to Make Friends as an Adult. Coming out the tail end of this pandemic, I think something that we can all agree on is that it's made this process of making new friends a bit more challenging. Even before the pandemic, it was an awkward and social anxiety producing experience for a lot of us. But now, after almost 2 years of quarantine, trading social gatherings for social distancing, and this weird mentality of sticking to your own pod ingrained in us, like, remember those? Ugh. And not to mention, a lot of us, including myself, have moved during the pandemic. If you've ever moved before, you know that one of the biggest challenges that comes along with that territory is making new friends. So what do we do when our social skills have been slowly chipped away over the past 2 years, and in a situation where we're kind of required to make new friends in order to have a balanced, healthy life, because we all need connection and love, right? We go and we figure it out. So that's what I'm doing here, because little background on me. I moved to San Diego almost a year ago, and recently I had to acknowledge that I don't have any friends. And maybe that's why. It's become a big enough problem in my life now that I'm ready to finally address it, because I don't think the excuse of we're in a pandemic or I just moved here are valid for me now. So that's why I'm here. That's why I'm doing this. I'm documenting my process, and I'm taking you along the journey with me as I figure out how to do this. Cringe, 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 cringe. It's happening. I love your guys' little setup.
Thank you.
So cute. Have you been doing like the rope dart long?
No, like a month or so.
Nice.
Yeah.
Do you flow too? Do you do flow? You don't? No. Are you guys in the same? Oh, cool. Never mind.
What's that?
I was just wondering if.
This is my wife, Erica.
Okay, yeah, that's what I
How you doing?
thought. Hi, I'm Jennifer.
She's working on some work there.
Cool. Am I bothering you guys? Cool. I just wanted to come over and say hi.
Nice to meet you.
I'm doing a video of approaching new people, and this is what's happening.
Nice.
Yeah. Where are you guys from?
We live down the street.
Oh, nice. Cool. You guys are from here. Nice. Cool. Cool. Yeah. Do you ever go see the fire dart thing?
Oh, no.
No. Okay. Cool.
Just kind of has been in martial arts, and just kind of led this way.
Nice. Awesome. All right. Well, have a nice day.
Thanks for saying hi.
Uh-huh. All right, that was awkward, but we did it. Hi. Good. How are you guys doing?
Doing well. How are you?
I'm great. Is this lacrosse?
It is, yeah. Big East Coast thing. Not too many people on the West Coast kind of know it or play it.
Yeah.
Familiar with it at all? Or?
What was that?
Are you familiar with the game?
No, I am not. I've never seen it.
Yeah,
like
no,
actually in person.
Don't worry, you're not the only one. I'll be out here like, yo, what are you playing? I was like, oh,
This is my first time holding one.
Oh really?
It was like a national though, right?
Yeah.
Great.
You can give it a go.
Try it out.
Sweet. I'm actually making a video right now. Can I like film?
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool. Hi, I'm Jennifer.
Oh, sorry. I'm Jesse.
Jesse.
Hey, Hunter.
Hi.
Nice to meet
Hi,
you.
Hunter. Nice to meet you.
What's your video for?
It's a YouTube channel.
Nice.
I am now on Mission Boulevard and Pacific Beach Drive. It's a nice cloudy day, and I'm gonna go talk to some strangers. do it. Let's make some friends. Well, the whole point of this, I'm realizing, is that it's not really about, it's just like making initial contact. It's like casting a wide net right now and seeing what like comes through. I think having that mentality and approach is going to help me feel more relaxed about all of this. You know, it's like, it doesn't really matter. What helped you like just say fuck it?
Because I didn't know anyone. Like no
right.
one knew who I was. And I think you just have to get over that. And you're just like, I think that also comes with age. I feel like the older I get, the less I care about what people think of me. And I think everyone, like I'll be 30 next month, and I think everyone, when I was growing up, always said that, like the older you get, the less you care. Because you just know who you are, and you know what you bring to the table, and you know your worth. And so I think it's just like, who cares, you know?
I just hurt my thumb at volleyball and I'm gonna fucking go ice it now. This is just a little recap of the week ever since I started filming and documenting this process of how to make friends, and this is what I have so far. There's been some wins and some losses, like I hurt my hand at volleyball. The first time I went up to them and approached them was a really good experience. I felt really proud of myself for going up to like a group of 30 people and asking if I could play volleyball with them. By the end of it, they invited me into their group chat so I can stay updated on when they meet up next. The second time I met up with them, that's actually when I hurt my hand. A really big bummer, and I was moving through a lot of emotions with that one. But overall, I think it was a good week. I ended up exchanging contact information with 7 people, and I'm actually meeting up with one of them tonight. I met this person at the karaoke bar I went to on Wednesday, and we're going to a different karaoke bar today or tonight. When I first initially started this, I was just going up to random people at like random places just to get going, right? I didn't really have a plan, but I quickly realized that, you know, instead of aimlessly talking to random people, I took a look at all of my interests, made a list of places where I would be able to meet more people with those similar interests. Then I just went out and went to those places like by myself, and that was like a really tough thing. On Wednesday, I made plans to go to this karaoke bar and I was not in the mood and I wasn't gonna go, but I ended up just kind of pushing myself out of that comfort zone and made myself go. And even once I got there, I tiptoed in there and then I walked back out immediately, and then I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm just gonna go back in, I'm gonna sit down. It ended up being a good night. Glad I did it because I did meet someone that could potentially be a friend. This initial part of this whole process, it's to increase the amount of people that you see and meet and then interact with. All right, that's all I have for this week. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. If you have any questions or comments about any part of this video, please let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.